Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing deliberately. Run Resource Hacker as administrator and create a backup copy of C/Windows/Explorer. exe so you can revert. Once done, copy that backup into a working folder and close all open programs that use Explorer. Make sure System Restore is enabled and note your current theme. Now open the copied Explorer. exe in Resource Hacker. This gives you safe read-write access without touching the live system file, which reduces risk while you edit resources. Next, identify how the start text is implemented. Check Stringtable first because some builds store text there. Otherwise, inspect bitmap or PNG resources that hold the start button artwork. If it is a string, change the literal and save. If it is an image, export the resource, edit in an image editor maintaining exact pixel size and color depth, then re-import it into the same resource slot. Once replaced, compile the script/resource within Resource Hacker and test the modified Explorer copy locally. To finalize, stop Explorer, Task Manager, and Process Explorer. exe, then take ownership of C/Windows/Explorer. exe and grant administrators full control so you can overwrite it. Replace the original with your edited copy and then restart Explorer or reboot to see the change. Make sure to test with Classic and Luna themes because sizes can differ. If something goes wrong, restore your backup immediately. If Windows blocks replacement, boot to safe mode or the recovery console to swap the files without the OS locking them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.